You'll be sure to impress your guests with my garlic butter sweet potato stacks. Start by peeling your sweet potatoes and then cutting off the tip, and then reserve the tip to cook later. Grab your mandolin and make sure it's at the thinnest setting. Start slicing your sweet potatoes, making sure to use the provided guard when you're getting close to the blade. You want to make sure that the slices fit in the mold, so if you have, grab a round cookie cutter and then take a few slices at a time and then press down with a towel, and then you'll get these perfectly uniform rounds. Once again, keep the scraps so you can fry them up later in the air fryer. Once all your slices are ready, place them in the large bowl with the melted butter, and then sprinkle with the rosemary, parmesan, and crushed garlic. Stir everything together, and I like to get my hands right in there to make sure that each slice is very well covered. Then prepare your tin, spray it with a little nonstick spray, and then start stacking your pieces of sweet potato. Place the foil on top, and then place in your preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. At that point, take the foil off, and then place back into the oven for the rest of the cooking time. When ready, flip over to reveal a beautifully crispy golden top. I mean, just listen at that beautiful sound. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.